We've had a revamp, something I want to show you to make life even easier for people to answer that poor pension performance question. First of all, we've broken it down into the problems that you face and the type of investor you might be. So let me break that down for you. These are the problems you face, and we've answered them more clearly. First of all, the problem with fund manager experts. So we've done detailed analysis on how their fees drag down your performance, why they institutionally are set up to let you down, how you keep up to date with the latest commentary on the biggest funds. Then the next pipe, as it were, or pillar, is the problem with poor returns. Who are the biggest ones? Why are they generating poor returns? How do they end up spraying and praying? Why do IFAs and the likes of St. James's Place consistently let you down? Okay, that moves on nicely to the problem with high fees and poor value. We dive even deeper here to look at the likes of Fundsmith, the brand names who you thought would be good. Then we start looking at some of the solutions. Okay, so, well, how do you get access to the information that you need, the tools, the calculators? And I'll come to that in just a second. And finally, the problem with, well, if you don't act and you think you can't do it, we show you you can do it yourself, and the cost of inaction. So then we break it down, as well as our small snippet videos there, we break it down into what kind of investor are you? And we've got 6 categories here, and everybody falls into one of these 6. Those frustrated with pension growth, and we give you for each one what to watch, what to read, what calculator to use. Late starter with serious intent, which video to watch, what to read, which calculator to use. The independent thinker, the smart DIY investor, the professional who's time poor but high earner, and those entrepreneurs who sold out their businesses who are building wealth for the next generation. It's really that simple. There's a lot more besides, but if you start with that, you won't go you won't go wrong at all. For those really wanting to then dive a bit deeper, we've got some of the latest news for you on there. You can see it over there, and you can download a free copy of the book as well. So campaignforamillion.com is where you go. If you can't remember that, alpeshpatel.com takes you to the same place.